What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make your cigarette lighter charging ports work in your 2006 Nissan 350z. And this might be similar to maybe all years of the Nissan 350z. So if you're having this problem like me where both of the cigarette lighter charging ports don't work, watch the whole video and I'll show you right now. I apologize for my dirty car guys, but as we look in here, my 2006 Nissan has two charging ports. There's one right here, right behind the center console, and then there's one here at the bottom on the footwell on the passenger side. As you can see, I already had a charger in there and it's right there. And now I'm going to show you where the fuse is, because most likely your fuse is burnt out, and I'm also going to show you what fuse you should get. Alright guys, so we're now here at the driver's side, and I apologize for the car again. As you can see, it's super dirty. This is my work car and I work in construction, so it's gonna get dirty. But here in the footwell, as you can see, there is the brakes and the gas. To the left, there's like a little panel that we're gonna go ahead and open. As you can see, it just clips on. So you have to do is unclip it. And as you can see, there are the fuses. And the one you're looking for is going to be one of the blue ones. One of the blue fuses. As you can see, there's different color ones. And as you can see, the one we want is... Let me see if I could get a better angle. The one we want is this big one. This one. Let me take it off so you guys can see it. As you can see, I took it off. And here it is. And as you can see, it says 15. But look at the position of it. Look at the spot that's empty. It's right to the left of this center port, the big port. So all we have to do is now we'll just put this back in like that. And I hope you guys saw which one I took off. That's gonna be the one you want, and it's gonna be 15 amps. And if you go to AutoZone, any of the major auto body parts, they're super easy to find. It just says 15 on all of them. But make sure you don't get them too small, because if you buy them too small, they actually will not fit where the fuses go. They'll fall out. That's why you have to get them a little big. And they're not expensive, they're like $5. So if you get the wrong size, just go back, return them, and get the ones correctly. But as you can see, this is the one, this one right here, that's next to this big ports right here. That's the one you want. That's the fuse for the cigarette light charger. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car and prove you guys that it works. So I go ahead and started my car, and if I have first the one by the passenger footwell. As you can see, it's charging my phone. The little red light illuminates because it's charging. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of that one and put it right here on this port. So as you can see, it's also charging. The little light turns on, and if I go like this, it's charging. So that's gonna be it for this video guys. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope this makes your life easier, because I drove without these cigarette lighter chargers working for like 5 years, because I never knew how to actually change where the fuse was located. So I hope you liked the video guys, and peace out.